Hello, everyone. I'm Rohan Smith, and I'm a part of the LNShop team. We decided to create a Shopify for Lightning. So basically, an easy way for merchants to create shops and accept do e-commerce over the Lightning Network. We wanted it to be pretty easy to install, so it requires little technical expertise, also easy to maintain. So the decision we made was to make it a strictly front-end static website using more the Jam stack. So it's just JavaScript and APIs and markup. And we came up with a project we call LNShop. All right, so let me share my screen. Okay, let me bring up that page first. All right, LNShop. Awesome. All right, so what you have here is our LNShop default template. We stole the design from another Shopify website. So, so we just got, this is an example website of what a regular LNShop from a merchant would look like. Now, we provide all the design, we provide the coding and everything. What the merchant provides is a spreadsheet where I think I had an example. Right. So if you see here, we have a spreadsheet with name, image, which is the image of the image of the product, the price, SKU, category, and number and inventory. Right. And basically, you just export this as a spreadsheet file, and then use any online spreadsheet to JSON converter and convert this file to a JSON file. I wanted to make that a bit more streamlined, to maybe to provide an actual URL where you can upload your spreadsheet and it spits out a JSON file. But right now you can find any of them online, and you just drop that in the project, and along with your Lightning address, and that's it. So you get a Lightning address from any Lightning address provider, along with your inventory that looks just like this, and that's the end. That's the end of the configuration you have to do. You drop that in the website project, in the code of the website, and you deploy your website. Now, you can deploy your website to GitHub. I used GitHub Pages. Okay, I lost it. Right. I use GitHub Pages. So you realize it's lnshop.github.io. So it's totally static. There's no backend server. Whenever I make a change and I publish it, it automatically gets uploaded. I was trying to deploy it to Netlify as well right before this, so I'm not sure if it worked. I guess it didn't. So, right. But right, it works on github.io. So here, right now I have 6 items in my inventory. Just some random Lorem Ipsum stuff. So it linked to some Lorem Ipsum images. I had some titles along with the amount denominated in sats, right? And these formed the inventory of the 6 items on the website. So once the user uploads their file, they'll get this displayed on their website. Secondly, it's time to go shopping. So we'll go and add to cart. We're gonna add some hot tech. You realize the cart gets updated. Some cutting edge device. Sorry. Intel inside. I'm gonna add the whole shop. Digital device, open compute, smart device. You can add multiple of the same thing as well. And then it's time to check out. So I go up to my cart, and you'll see all the items that I added to the cart, along with their cost, and then the subtotal of 580 sats. And of course, there's only one option, is to play with Lightning, because that's cool. So when we click play with Lightning, it gets a nice graphic and say, boom, Albi shows up. Hey, do you want to pay your 580 sats? I said, of course. So I confirm. And in a minute now, Albi will, yes, your order has been placed. I get that. And if you can see my phone, I'm not sure, there's a Walter Satoshi notification telling me that I just received a notification. So that's pretty much it. You get the notification in your wallet of the purchases. The part that I didn't get to finish implement was an integration with Airtable that would send over the order information and store that in a no code, in a similar spreadsheet style as you have there. So the person would be able to see, the merchant would be able to see all the list of orders and be able to send off the products, whatever products that are necessary. This has a lot of potential for growth. We want to make it pretty easy to deploy, even hosted shops as well, like Shopify does. And we want to have integration with more than just Lightning addresses. We actually had LN bits working. So we want to add multiple platforms that you can integrate to get payments over. And yeah, and we want this to become the go-to e-commerce platform whenever someone wants to start accept Bitcoin payments online. So thank you, and thank you to all who participated, or designers, or the people who helped us to come up with the ideas. All our team members, Cody, Precious, thank you guys for your contribution, and I hope you guys will one day get to use LNShop.